Hi, good afternoon, both of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Ishani. Hi, Siddhant.
Ma'am.
Hi. So, what's up? What's new today? Anyone? Today is Sunday. What's your planning?
मैम मैं आज रोब्लॉक्स खेल रहा था।
Oh, great. I don't know how to play Roblox. Please don't tell
रोब्लॉक्स
me.
इज नॉट अ गेम।
So
उसके
then,
अंदर बहुत सारे गेम्स है।
okay, it's like a set of games. Okay, tell me one or two type of game that you can play in Roblox.
अभी मैं गेम खेल रहा हूँ।
कैसे कैसे टाइप ऑफ गेम है उसमें? Tell me more about Roblox. I'm intrigued.
कुछ फाइटिंग के अलग अलग टाइप ऑफ गेम्स है।
Okay.
जैसे अभी मैं ये खेल रहा था।
Hmm.
इसमें कार दो कार्स एक चेन से बंधी होती है और
Hmm.
उनको मतलब वो कार्स मूव करते हैं चेन से बंधी हुए ही। और बीच बीच
Okay.
में कुछ वो लेवल्स है कि अगर कार गिरी
Hmm.
तो दोबारा से रीस्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा गेम।
ओह, आपको कंट्रोल करना है कि कार गिरनी नहीं चाहिए। दोनों
और
एक
दो
ही
कार्स चेन से बंधी हुई हैं।
दोनों एक ही चेन से बंधी है या फिर अलग अलग?
एक ही।
ओके, इट्स लाइक कि दोनों के बैक पार्ट्स में चेन बंधा हुआ है।
यस मैम आई डोंट नो व्हाई डू आई ऑल मोस्टली सी ऑल द बॉयज प्लेइंग रोब्लॉक्स एंड फोर्टनाइट।
नो, आई हैव oh, they play Roblox in Fortnite.
Roblox and Fortnite, they both might be the same game.
Okay.
I don't know.
No, there is a like a girl child also. My student. She also plays Roblox.
Yes, ma'am, but
Most
mostly
of
I've
them are
seen boys.
boys. You are not interested in Roblox, Nishani?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I think maybe
हम
because
tips है।
what? Siddhant, what did you say?
मैं मम्मा को बोल रहा था।
Okay. Ishani, were you able to submit the test yesterday? Sorry,
Yes, ma'am. I got 23 out of 25.
yes, we saw those questions also. Okay, it skipped my mind actually. Okay. So today we are going to see the super class 3. We have two more super classes left after this. Like we have total 5 super class. Today is the third super class. We will still have two more left. That
And then,
completed in the next class. And then your batch will be over. Shall we start? Siddhant, you have pen pencil, right? Siddhant, if you don't
not
have, bring
now.
it. Quickly bring it, please.
Okay. Ma'am, I have.
Good. The first question on your screen.
मैम ले आया।
Good. You may start, Siddhant. Question number 1 and 2 on your screen, please. सिद्धांत अच्छे से क्वेश्चन का आंसर कीजिएगा। कल आपने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन से गलत आंसर मार्क किए थे।
सिर्फ मैंने 5 ही क्वेश्चन के गलत करिए थे वैसे मैम।
हाँ, लेकिन आपने उसको सही सॉल्व किया था सिद्धांत। जब मार्क करने की टाइम आती है तो गलत आंसर मार्क करते हो।
नो मैम।
नहीं, ठीक है।
मैम फर्स्ट ए।
Go ahead, mark your answers. I mean, write your answers. Once you have written all your answers, then we will, discuss. Then
मैम
we will.
फर्स्ट
Yeah.
का बी।
No, don't tell me the answer. Ishani, you have to check it again. That's not your answer. You said A. A is not correct. For second question, inch is a unit of length. Centimeter is also for length. It's a measurement of length. Yard is also for length only. Ounce is for weight.
मैम थर्ड क्वेश्चन।
Hmm. I hope third one is done for you.
I don't know. Hibernation is too.
Hibernation means to, so suppose, so these big animals like bear and polar bears, they go into hibernation, meaning they sleep for some time. They sleep during the winter. They sleep because in the winter season they don't get food. Okay. And everything is covered in snow, or it is very difficult to find food. So, and also the polar bear, they have fat layer on their body. So during winter season, they sleep for, all the time. And that is called hibernation.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, one more special guest is joining. This is Hi, Vivansh. Where have you been?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Vivansh. Where were you yesterday?
Ma'am, yesterday I went to a field trip.
Okay. See, I will talk to you later about your field trip, okay? But for now, Vivansh, can you quickly please write down your answers for first and second question?
This is the super class.
Yeah, this is super class, meaning we are discussing previous year questions here. It's like a test only, but it's a kind of open test. I mean, I will discuss also with you. Can you please write your answers for first and second one quickly on a notebook? Because we were already in the fourth question. Vivansh, you did not even say yes or no.
What, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute, सिद्धांत विवांश ने अभी ज्वाइन किया है ना विवांश को फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन करने दीजिए पहले
Okay. Here it's either 14 or 12.
14 and for second question also it is written there your answer is a different one and you see which one is different and mark your answer. We were in the third question.
Ma'am, third question was also done.
Third question also what? It is done only.
Ma'am, could you did not know the first one?
I told you 14. You said right for either 12 or 14. It's 14. Why have you all put your cameras off? Keep your camera on. Ishani, Siddhant, you also please. Done. Please keep your
Ma'am,
camera
I did
on.
not mark my first one yet.
Write down. Vansh.
Ma'am, is it B?
Yes, it is. Vivansh, what are you searching for now, Vivansh? We are getting late.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Mm. Ishani and Siddhant, you will look at here. Vivansh, do one thing. We will start from the fourth one, first and second, third, second and third. I'll show you later. Once we have completed till the 25th one, I will come back to it. To the fourth number and fifth numbers. In the fourth number, you have to find a statement that must be true according to the given information. Vincent has a proper route. Each morning, he delivers 37 newspapers to customers in his neighborhood. It takes Winston 50 times to deliver all the paper. If Winston is sick or has other plans, his friend Thomas, who lives on same street, will sometimes deliver the paper for him. It takes him 50 minutes to deliver all the papers, all 37 newspapers to the customers. When Winston is sick or has some other plan, his friend Thomas, he will distribute the newspapers. So which of these is necessarily true?
Maybe A.
Go ahead, mark your answer. I will discuss with you later.
Is it O?
Just write your answers for now on the notebook. Once we have finished the 25th one, I will come back to the first one and we will discuss that.
Neighborhood even means living in the same street, right?
Neighborhood means, yeah, living in the same street or like nearby.
Ma'am, I'm done fourth one.
Fifth one is also visible. All the options are also here. Do that also.
Ma'am, sixth one.
And which one?
What kind of confused?
ELFA, GLHA. I can see all of these are having A at the end. The second place is occupied by L, and that's in all the options. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Skip one letter. After the first letter here, you see? E, F not written, G written. H missed, I
Got
didn't.
it.
Got it? Okay.
Ma'am, sixth one.
Siddhant, done till the fifth one, Siddhant. I asked you to keep your camera on, Siddhant. Why you don't listen to me?
Because I'm eating something.
Why are you eating during the class, Siddhant?
मैम बस हो गया मेरा
Okay. Six number. 6 and 7 both are visible.
Ma'am, eighth one.
Don't be in a hurry. Siddhant,
Ma'am, I'm in the seventh one. Ma'am, I am in the sixth one. I'm eighth one.
sixth and Ishani is in seventh.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of C? In the seventh question, what's the meaning of the option C?
Uncertain, meaning can be for true, can be false. Uncertain, can't say.
Ma'am, I already got it.
Great.
Can I give a hint?
Sure. Tanya,
Second letter is in alphabetical order.
and not the sixth one. We are talking about the seventh one.
Oh.
Tanya is older than Eric.
And the answer, see, Tanya is older than Eric and Cliff is older than Tanya. Eric is older than Cliff. If Tanya is older than Eric, so Tanya is older than Eric. Cliff is older than Tanya.
There will be.
And Tanya is older than Eric.
Or
And Cliff is older than Tanya. And Eric is very small. So how can Eric be taller than Cliff? Cliff is more bigger.
see, you read.
Means answer is C, right?
You read the
No,
first.
it's B. It's B. It is
Read.
B. Ma'am, it is B.
You read the first two statements and arrange them. Huh? We can see the oldest is who? Cliff. The next is Tanya, and the youngest is Eric. So yes, you are right, Vivansh. It will be. We are confirmed. It is false. It's not true.
Ma'am, eighth one.
I'll show that. Siddhant, have you completed the seventh one, Siddhant?
He is a brother and she is a sister. What? Ma'am, they made wrong.
What?
They told A is a brother of B, B is a sister of C, and C is a father. They could keep mother.
B.
Why they're saying
No.
father?
B is the sister of C. C's gender we don't know, no? B is the sister. A is a boy. A is a brother of B. A is a brother of B. A is a boy. B is a sister of C. B is a girl and sister to C. C is father of D. C is a boy and is father of D. How is D related to A? How is this D related to A? We have two generations here. One generation would be your father, your uncle, and mother, your your maternal uncle, maternal aunt, all of those. And the D one would be suppose you.
Ma'am,
But
it could be nephew or
It
niece,
is B.
but there's
It is
no
B,
niece,
ma'am.
so it's
Cannot be
nephew.
determined.
yes, you're right. Cannot be determined because we do not know the gender of D here. Yes, you're right. Very good. Awesome. Very good. सिद्धांत 8 नंबर क्या आपको समझ आया?
Ma'am, but
Ma'am,
if it's
आप
given,
समझा दो.
What did
ma'am,
you
but
say?
if there's no option, like if there's if there's no option, that means cannot be determined. Determined.
There has to be. There has to be. They will always give.
Ma'am, but then the answer can be nephew because they didn't. If they didn't give niece,
Ma'am, is ninth C?
What?
Is ninth C?
Ninth one. Wait.
what?
Ma'am, is it C?
Ninth one.
Switch off room. I mean, switch off door, lock room key.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
it is
ma'am,
C.
wait.
It is C. Yes. Ninth one. Yes, C.
Key lock door room.
Ma'am, 10th one.
10th one, I'll show that. Siddhant, I have to make him understand the 8th number question.
Yes.
सिद्धांत, A is the brother of B. A B का भाई है, तो for boy we mark it plus sign. For girl we mark it negative sign. So A is brother to B and B is sister. So B is a girl. She is sister to C. C is father of D. तो C का बच्चा है D. So how is D related to A? D can be a girl or a boy. D can be a girl or a boy.
Can I tell the answer?
हाँ, tell.
Ma'am, 10. Could you show? Ma'am,
10
maybe
option.
C.
Ma'am, could you show 10th D option?
Wait.
Ma'am.
We're discussing one question here. Yes,
Ma'am.
Siddhant. Hold on.
Maybe
हाँ, tell
8
Siddhant.
का D.
8 का D, yes, that is cannot be determined. We cannot determine. It can be a niece or a nephew, but we are not sure about it. 9th number. Look at the 10th number. Ishani and Vivansh.
Ma'am, 10th B. Is it correct? 10th is B.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it B or D? Ma'am, they are multiplying 2 to it. They are multiplying
B,
3
B.
to it.
They're multiplying 3.
Ma'am, so it's B, right?
Hmm.
Ma'am, it's B. Ma'am, I was telling you that in the 8th one, it could even be C. If they didn't give the option D, that cannot be determined because it can't be brother, it can't be sister, and then the only option can be nephew.
Oh, what did you say?
Yes, I also tell nephew.
What did you say, Ishani?
Ma'am, I told you that if there'll be no option called can you answer can't be determined, that means option D. So that means it can even be nephew because it can't be brother, it can't be sister, and if there's no option called D, it can be nephew.
Okay, you are thinking right, but Ishani, in these type of questions, they will always give you an option that cannot be determined or can't say. They will always give some option like cannot be determined, can't say, or uncertain like that. Okay, so here it was given. If it can never happen that they will not give you. They will always give.
11th one, I got so confused.
Siddhant, are you thinking that the answer is nephew? No, the answer is not nephew.
Ma'am,
Ishani,
11th one, I got so confused.
wait, I will explain. सिद्धांत, ईशानी ये कह रही है अगर हमारे पास ऑप्शन डी नहीं होता तो हम सी चूज करते, बट ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में दे विल ऑलवेज गिव यू द ऑप्शन ऑफ कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड और कैन नॉट से, और कुछ ना कुछ ऑप्शन वो देंगे आपको. 11th number you got confused. They are sitting in a row and S and N. Okay, S and Z are in the center. We do not know whether S is sitting first or Z, so it can be SZ or ZS. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. 2 are fixed, 2 here, and 2 will be sitting here also. A is in left end. A is in the left end here, and P is in the right end. P is sitting here. R is sitting immediate or right of A. R will sit here. And who is sitting to the left of P? Then who will sit to the left of P?
Ma'am, because they didn't show
S.
X, that means
not X, ma'am. It's X.
X.
Yeah,
Option is B.
whoever is left, that person will be in this place.
Ma'am, 12th one. B. Ma'am, 12th one.
12th one.
Y is in east of. Ma'am, I'm getting kind of confused in 12th one. Ma'am, I'm also getting confused in the 12th one.
Y is in the east of X. X, east of X is here. Siddhant, did you answer the 11th number, Siddhant?
No.
So then you answer, please. I explained this one, इसलिए मैं कह रही हूँ आपका कैमरा ऑन रखो ताकि मैं देख पाऊँ आप क्या कर रहे हो. मैं डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, आप फिर भी मार्क नहीं कर रहे हो.
Ma'am, are there 25 questions again?
Ma'am, if he was eating this whole time, how can he even talk the whole time? By keeping so much food stuffed in his mouth, he would be like, "Rah, rah," like that he would speak.
Siddhant, see, he has a valid
मैम
point.
हिंदी में मुझे 11 समझाओ.
Request me. Ma'am, please explain 11th number in Hindi to me. A request karo. I don't see request in your whatever you said, Siddhant. Siddhant, say that ma'am please मुझे हिंदी में समझाइए 11th number. ऐसे बोलो.
Ma'am, what do we call please in Hindi?
कृपया. But we would not say that much pure Hindi. सिद्धांत बताइए पहले बोलिए.
Yeah.
बोलिए प्लीज मुझे हिंदी में 11 नंबर हिंदी में समझाइए.
Please मुझे 11 नंबर हिंदी में समझाइए.
Yes. सिद्धांत wait a minute Vivan. Let me explain this one. S and Z देखो सबसे पहली बात कितने लोग हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 लोग हैं. इन्होंने बोला कि S और Z जो हैं बीच में बैठे हैं. तो S और Z बीच में बैठे हैं. हम्म. A इज इन द लेफ्ट एंड. A सबसे लेफ्ट में बैठा है, सबसे लास्ट लेफ्ट साइड में. P इज इन द राइट एंड. P राइट में बैठा है, राइट एंड में. R A के राइट में बैठा है. A का लेफ्ट तो फ्री नहीं है, A का राइट फ्री है, तो R यहाँ बैठेगा. आपका क्वेश्चन है कि ये जो जगह बची है वहाँ कौन बैठेगा और P के लेफ्ट में कौन बैठेगा, क्योंकि P का लेफ्ट तो ये है और P का राइट ये है. P का राइट फ्री नहीं है, P का लेफ्ट फ्री है. कौन
या
बैठेगा?
Z के राइट में कौन बैठेगा?
P के लेफ्ट में कौन बैठेगा ये बताइए.
X.
यही था आपका क्वेश्चन. आपका आंसर एक्स है जो कि ऑप्शन 2 है. लिख लीजिए बी. यस रेवांश, व्हाट वर यू सेइंग?
Ma'am, I was saying to Siddhant to tell what you were telling him to say.
हाँ, he did that.
Y is in the east of X and in the north of Z. If P is in the south of Z, then in which direction of Y is P?
Ma'am, I don't understand this one.
Is only, ma'am, my head is only blasted of keeping all this, ma'am.
I will tell you, don't worry. Y is in east of X. Y is in east of X, so you just write it. X east is this, so Y will be here. And in the north of Z, Y is in east of X and in the north of Z. So Z should be here, so that the north of Z is this. If P is in the south of Z, P is in the south of Z. This is Z, south of Z, so P will be here. Then in which direction of Y is P? From Y's respect, you have to see and tell why P is in which direction. So this is the east, north, west, and south. This is which direction between south and west? Southwest. Your answer will be southwest. सिद्धांत, क्या आपको समझ
That means C, southwest.
सिद्धांत क्या आपको समझ में आया 11 12 नंबर, या फिर आपको
नो मैम, दोबारा हिंदी में बताओ.
प्लीज प्लीज मिसिंग है वहां पर. तो ध्यान, पहले आप अपना कैमरा ऑन कीजिए, फिर मैं आपको सारे ही क्वेश्चन समझा दूंगी। अपना कैमरा ऑन कीजिए आप। आपका
मैम
कैमरा,
प्लीज हिंदी में समझाओ।
ओके सिद्धांत, जरूर समझाऊंगी। कैमरा भी ऑन कर लीजिए।
कर लिया।
बढ़िया। ठीक, या लुकिंग सो क्यूट। देखो यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है, ये ई है ना, ई का ईस्ट ये हो जाएगा, ई का नॉर्थ ये होगा, ऊपर की तरफ नॉर्थ होता है। ऑपोजिट ऑफ ईस्ट विल बी वेस्ट एंड द ऑपोजिट ऑफ नॉर्थ विल बी साउथ। तो ये डायरेक्शंस है। ई के ईस्ट, देखो आप खा रहे हो, पढ़ाई के वक्त आप खा नहीं सकते हो। ये हो गया ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ। पढ़ना और खाना साथ में नहीं होता। टीवी देखना और खाना साथ में हो सकता है, खेलना और खाना भी
मैम
साथ में।
मैंने मुंह में डाल दिया।
अच्छा ठीक है। देखो क्या लिखा है, y इज इन ईस्ट ऑफ x। x लिखो, ईस्ट, x का ईस्ट क्या है ये, तो y यहाँ पर है। फिर क्या बोला है, एंड इन द नॉर्थ ऑफ z, y z के नॉर्थ में है, तो z कहाँ होना चाहिए, z नीचे होना चाहिए, तभी तो z का नॉर्थ ऊपर होगा। ठीक है, z के पर्सपेक्टिव में आपको x लिखना है। सॉरी, ओहो वेट अ मिनट, y है ना नॉर्थ में, y है नॉर्थ में, सॉरी। So Z should be here. Ishani and Vivansh, look at this question. Your answer is not south. It's not southwest. Y is in north of Z, no? So it should be here. Y. And if P is in south of Z, P Z के साउथ में है, Z का साउथ डाउनवर्ड है, तो P will be here. Then in which direction of Y is P? Y के which direction में P है? So you can see. From Y is
मैम मे बी साउथ।
yes, it is south. So your answer will be south.
द बी वन।
Hmm.
All answers are B, 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 B.
All are BB baby. No, no, no. नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है सिद्धांत।
तीन भी हुए अभी, 10th
लेकिन
11th
अब आने वाले हैं, हाँ अब आने
13th
वाले हैं
भी
बहुत सारे
होगा।
भी आपके। नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कोई प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं है, सॉल्व करके ही आंसर करना। लेट्स लुक एट द 13th नंबर, ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई इट वंस। A man walks 5 kilometers towards south and then turns to the right. East, west, north, south, left, right,
Mama, I was some.
right, left, right, left, right.
Wow.
A man walks 5 kilometers.
Wow.
A man walks 5 kilometers towards south. So ध्यान देखो, आपका कैमरा फिर से ऑफ है। A man walks 5 kilometers towards south. Go south 5 kilometers and then turn to the right.
A? Is it
Take
13A?
take a right turn. After walking 3 kilometers,
Mom, is it 13A?
he turns to the left. Wait a minute, I'll tell you. And walks another 5 kilometers. Now, in which direction is he facing? Where is he facing? To
Ma'am,
which
he's facing south.
south. So your answer will be south again.
Mom, is it 13A?
13, no.
It's
Vivansh, I
B.
told you. Said Vivansh, you see the arrow downwards. Which direction do we have downwards? Downward is it, Vivansh?
Another answer.
Another option, another answer, B option. Vivansh, which option, which direction do we have downwards? South, no?
Yeah.
South, north, east, west. Hmm.
So it's B, right?
Hmm.
No, this is wrong.
Why?
Mom, left
Hmm.
is right.
What left is right?
मैम
So options for 14.
5 किलोमीटर के बाद वो लेफ्ट राइट चल रहा है।
Ma'am, can you show the 14 options?
Okay. Siddhant, in that case also your answer will be south only. In that case also your answer will be south only. Wait a minute, Sunny, I will show that to you. Dhan, you are not visible.
Ma'am, can you see this?
See what? It's a paper. I can't see it. I can't see anything
Yes, but
because of your background.
लिखा हुआ है.
Because of your background, I cannot see Siddhant. It's all white.
बैकग्राउंड मुझे नहीं हटाना.
Close लेकर आइए और bring it more close to the camera.
Well,
It's not visible. Let it be. It's okay. What is it?
इट्स अ पेपर. उसमें मैंने कुछ लिखा है आपको दिखाने के लिए.
क्या लिखा है? And do you really think कि मैं पढ़ पाऊंगी?
Ma'am, Siddhant can just tell what's it written.
What is it?
मैम,
Hmm.
ये लिखा है कि 5 kilometer south
Hmm. हाँ,
and
तो you have drawn the आपका डायग्राम ऐसा दिख रहा है ना?
no
नहीं तो आपका आंसर क्या निकल रहा है?
west. First,
Towards south 5
5
kilometers.
kilometer
हाँ.
south,
And then turns to the right. He turns to the right.
then
He turns to the right. He walks.
मैम ये लेफ्ट है राइट नहीं है.
सिद्धांत, दिस इज राइट ओनली. लुक एट हियर. साउथ का राइट कहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको? वो साउथ में जा रहा है. नाउ यू इमेजिन यू गोइंग. यू इमेजिन कि आप यहाँ पर जा रहे हो और आप इधर फेस कर रहे हो. आपका राइट हैंड कहाँ होगा सिद्धांत?
मैम उधर भी जाएगा तब भी नहीं जाएगा.
सिद्धांत देखो, मैंने यहाँ लिखा है. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ. ठीक है. दिस इज लेफ्ट ऑफ ईस्ट. दिस इज राइट ऑफ ईस्ट. दिस इज राइट ऑफ नॉर्थ. दिस इज लेफ्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ. ईस्ट का अपवर्ड लेफ्ट होता है, डाउनवर्ड राइट होता है. अब क्योंकि ईस्ट का लेफ्ट है ये, तो नॉर्थ का राइट होना चाहिए और ये लेफ्ट हो जाएगा. राइट, लेफ्ट, राइट, लेफ्ट. वो कहाँ जा रहा है? वो साउथ की तरफ जा रहा है. उसके बाद वो राइट टर्न ले रहा है, तो राइट टर्न लेगा, इधर जाएगा. वो कितना वॉक किया उसने? 3 किलोमीटर वॉक किया उसने. पहला डिस्टेंस 5 किलोमीटर का था. अब वो किधर जा रहा है? अब वो वेस्ट में जा रहा है. उसके बाद उसने लेफ्ट टर्न लिया है, तो लेफ्ट टर्न लेगा तो वो साउथ में जाएगा दोबारा. साउथ में गया है 5 किलोमीटर. तो अब वो कौन से डायरेक्शन में फेस कर रहा है दोबारा? वो साउथ में फेस कर रहा है दोबारा. सिद्धांत क्लियर हुआ आपका?
ओके.
So your answer will be south. Please do the 14th one. We have 10 more questions, 11 more questions.
मैम
हाँ,
साउथ का वो यस ओके.
आप ये डायग्राम बना लीजिए सिद्धांत. आप ये डायग्राम बना लीजिए अगर कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है तो.
नहीं मैंने मार्क कर लिया आंसर.
कर लिया. We are moving to 14th number, all of you. Mark it quickly. You have to tell. See, mirror here. Mirror is here on the left side. Mirror is here. So the clock will not be. The watch will not be upside down. Eliminate the option where you see upside down.
Ma'am, the answer is
I'm done. 14th
C.
and 15th one.
C. Yes. No.
C.
the
Answer is
will
C.
be. Answer is not C. Why C?
It's B.
Where is the difference?
Ah, ma'am, it's B.
Ah, it is
Ma'am,
B.
15th one.
It is B again. Wait, Shivansh. 14, Siddhant, what did you got for 14th one?
B.
So let's go ahead. 15th one, all of you.
Ma'am, 16th.
Hold on. Till then, you can just arrange these. Okay, don't do it now. You can do that. You can arrange.
Is Pharaoh's even a word?
Ma'am, 15th is C.
Pharaoh's
Vivaan?
even a word?
No, but forest is. Forest is not a word, but forest is. What, Vivaan?
Ma'am, options I need, right?
I will show the option.
Ma'am, the 15th one is C.
You can till then arrange, no, Vivansh? Forest, forest 2, 5, 1, 3, 4, 6. And when I'll show you the option, you can just mark this one. 15, you are saying C1. Ishani?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, it's
yes,
C
right.
only.
Yeah. Siddhant got the 15th one. Did you mark for 15th one?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we are going a bit slow.
He did not even show his face till now. Now he's not even talking.
Isn't the screen share paused?
He's kind of like paused, ma'am.
His camera is off.
Ma'am, he's not even saying anything.
Ma'am,
Okay.
maybe he's
He's
talking
there.
in mute.
He is there only. He is there only. Siddhant, I hope.
ma'am.
See 15th नंबर हो चुका होगा ना आपका 16 नंबर कीजिए आप लोग
Ma'am, answer is B.
Answer is B.
Yeah, ma'am, it's B.
Yes, of course.
3 more questions left.
No,
No,
No.
it's still 25.
8 more questions are left.
How, ma'am?
We have 25 questions.
Ma'am, could you show 18?
I will do that.
Ma'am, another B option came. Only in 15th C was there and now it's B again. How many B's are there? Ma'am, there are 16 questions done and 10 B's are there. That means,
God.
Yeah, ma'am, 10 B's.
Hmm.
I'm on
Never follow this in exam, okay? Never. It's just a matter of chance.
I'm 18th one.
18th one. Siddhant, I hope you have marked for 17th one.
I didn't, ma'am, I didn't.
हम 17 का क्या B है?
हाँ, ma'am, 17th B. Another B. 11th is B.
Eighteenth one.
Ma'am, I think 18th one also B will come.
Shall I show the question?
Ma'am, another answer is B.
Yes, you are right. 18th as well, it's B.
Ma'am, and I guessed it correct.
Yeah. But after 18th one, it will be, the streak will be broken. 19th one is not B.
Ma'am, what if it is?
It's not.
Ma'am, 18th B. Is my answer correct?
Yes, you're right.
Can you go to the 19 option?
मैम कैसे B क्यों है?
Because Siddhant, in the meaning, when we go,
Siddhant. See, so squares are Siddhant squares are there, right? Yes.
this time can
So
I explain to
triangle
ma'am?
means one square, right? Yes.
She said
Yeah.
yes.
Then six squares equals to is made out of triangles, right? Yes.
And in means we go to the left side. Did you even understand in English, Siddhant?
He does. Sometimes I don't know why he says. Sometimes he will say, I don't know English, whereas he does.
So
And
the
then he will say,
18th answer is B.
18th
Another
answer
B.
is B.
Then
दोबारा बताओ हिंदी में बताओ मैम
हिंदी में बताओ। देखो, ये ट्राइंगल बोल रहे हैं, स्क्वायर है। और ये जो आप देख रहे हो क्यूब, ये स्क्वायर से बना हुआ है। हाँ, अगर ये स्क्वायर से बना है तो इसका क्या मतलब होगा? ट्राइंगल का मतलब है स्क्वायर। और आप ये देखो, ये जो आपको बना हुआ है क्यूब, ये स्क्वायर से बना है। क्यूब स्क्वायर से बना, तो देखो, एक 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 क्यूब, एक स्क्वायर, दूसरा स्क्वायर, तीसरा। तो ये 6 फेसेस से बना है, 6 फेसेस हैं इस क्यूब के। लेकिन ये बना तो स्क्वायर से है ना। और
यस
स्क्वायर का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पर?
ट्रायंगल
हाँ,
तो आंसर बी है
आंसर भी है।
18 का
ma'am, now it's C because A is using A is not made by curved lines. I is also not made by curved lines, and M is also not made by curved lines. Only B is made by curved lines.
Yes, you are right.
The letter is B, but the answer is not B.
Wow. Yeah. The letter is B, but the answer is not B.
Now we only have 6
is it
questions
I
left.
हाँ,
मैम इज इट आई
नो नो सिद्धांत, अभी कहा ना इशारे ने कि लेटर बी हमारा आंसर है, लेकिन आंसर भी नहीं है।
Answer is C.
है, आंसर इज सी। क्योंकि ए, आई और एम सारे स्ट्रेट लाइन से बने हैं, लेकिन बी कर्व्ड है उसमें। 28 नंबर। सिद्धांत, तो आपने नोट कर लिया, आपका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, 19 सी। 28 number. There are 4 ladies at a party. Each lady shook hand once with each other. How many handshakes took place?
Ma'am, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
Then how many handshakes took place?
10.
6
Six.
But ma'am, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
No, why 1 plus 2 plus 3? 4 ladies. So one lady will handshake with how many? 3.
3.
Huh?
Oh, 1 plus 2 plus 3.
Huh.
6.
6.
Answer is D.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 21st one option.
I will show that.
and 21st A
21st A. I will show that way.
Ma'am, it's A. A. A and B are same.
मैम
Yes,
20 का आंसर 6 है क्या?
Ma'am,
Yes,
A
ma'am.
and B are same, ma'am.
मैम
Yes,
20 का आंसर 6 है
No.
क्या?
yes, Siddhant, yes. No,
Ma'am,
A and B are
ऑप्शन
not.
क्या है वो?
D.
Ma'am?
D1. Siddhant,
D for dog.
D for dog.
Ma'am, 21. Ma'am, A and B is same. Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Those are not same. If it is, maybe it's not visible, but there is a difference in the lines here. You see the shading. I mean,
Ma'am, answer is the answer is A. A, ma'am.
your straight line, vertical lines will be here, and this side it will be curved lines.
Answer is A. A.
No. 21 is yours. Yes,
And
yes.
that means A,
No,
right?
21 will be your A only. Yeah. Here you will have curved lines, and here we'll have straight lines.
Ma'am, 20 second. 20 second. Ma'am, which question is Siddhant in?
Siddhant, in which question are you?
21.
21. Did you mark that the answer? It will be A.
I am marking.
Okay. Look at 22 and 23 is also visible. Even 24 is also visible there.
Ma'am, is this our last class?
No, we will have 2 more classes. The next week also we'll have class.
Okay.
That means next Sunday is our last class.
Yeah.
And what if we have more classes?
We would continue the classes.
Ma'am, is it 48? No, not 48.
22. No.
Ma'am, it is A. Yes, ma'am. I think
4.
A. Yes, ma'am. I think it's A. It's +4 every time. Ma'am, it is A, right?
Yes, it is A. We are adding 4. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13.
Ma'am, 2 more
24,
questions left.
36, and so on. Just add plus 4.
3 more questions, not 2.
3 more.
Ma'am, I got confused in 23rd one.
Okay. Siddhant got the answer for this 22. Siddhant, we are adding plus 4. We are adding 4 here.
Yes,
And
ma'am. I got the answer.
ठीक है, ठीक. 23 number and 24 is also visible here.
23, I got confused.
Why? So Supriya, remember that first 8 digit of her phone number, but she forgot the last 9th digit of it. She only remember that the last digit is amongst 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8. How many possible combination of numbers can be formed? First 8 digits. So 23, I mean, That first 8-digit she can combine with one. That for those first 8 digits she can combine with two. Those first digits she can combine with three, and so on. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose she remembers that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the first 8 digits. She will first check with 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and then 2. And then again 3, then 5, then 6, then 8. She will check the numbers like this.
Ma'am, that means the answer is D.
Why D? No, how many numbers are there? She only thinks that the numbers are amongst 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8.
6.
No. Huh?
6, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, is it 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 possible ways. See, suppose you have forgot the last digit, but you remember the first 8 digits or 9 digits of your mobile number or phone number. What will you do? You will check with different numbers. You will check until 9 maybe, but she remembers that it is either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 5, 6 or 8.
It is 8, ma'am.
No, it is 6. How many possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 possibilities. Answer is A.
Ma'am, now A took the place of B.
Now A took the place. No.
Ma'am, for 3 questions, A
Ma'am,
only.
can you go to the 23 one?
Hmm.
Ma'am, 24th C. Is my answer correct?
24th is the C, yes.
Ma'am, C only.
1.
Ma'am, because it's not means. In means we go left. But in is called we go right. I need. Ma'am, I need 25th.
25th, I will show you. Siddhant, completed 23 and 24?
Ma'am, can I tell you how 24 is formed?
Yeah, tell.
Ma'am, he also told now is it my chance, right?
It's
Ma'am,
your turn.
he
Tell.
told it before in that
Ma'am,
means
so
question. Square is called as so triangle is called as square, square is called as circle, and circle is called as rectangle. So on equal faces, only one shape in all these. It is
Hmm.
square. It is square. So in square, when we add a square is called a circle. So circle will be our answer C.
Yes, you're right.
Ma'am, we already gave the link, but we are not even done with the 25th one.
I know. I'll show the 25th one. Here is the 25th one.
B. Ma'am, it's B.
Yes, it is B. It's a pattern of ABC pattern. So the element B is missing here. Now you may mark your answer. Nishani? Yeah.
Ma'am, second
Ma'am, I have done all the questions.
Mark your answers then.
third one.
Link in the chat box. Siddhant, Vivansh, here is the first and second one. Third one you want to see. See, second and third is here.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you share me the...
Link is in the chat box, Siddhant.
Okay.
Ma'am, ounce?
Ounce is a unit of, it's a measurement of weight.
Ma'am, yard.
Yard is for length. See, it's written there. Yard is for length. Yard, inch, and centimeter are for length. But for ounce, it's for
Ah.
weight.
Ma'am, so it's B.
Yes. Done, Vivansh? Third number also done? Please mark your answers. What happened, Vivansh?
1 second, could you show fourth one?
Sure. Done, all of you?
Ma'am, I got 24 out of 25. Sixth one is wrong.
25 out of 25.
Ma'am, 24 out of 25. Sixth one is wrong.
Ma'am, 23 out of 25 again.
24 out of 25 for me.
Ma'am, I got the sixth and the fifth one wrong.
Ma'am, I got sixth one wrong.
Ma'am, sixth and fifth. Ma'am? Ma'am, I have got 25 out of 25.
Ma'am, I got 6. Ma'am, sixth one I got wrong. I got 24 out of 25.
Wait, ma'am is somewhere else, not in or here. She went somewhere. I have got 25 out of 25.
You got 25 out of 25. Why
Yes.
did you? Okay.
Ma'am, I got the same marks that I got 23 out of 25.
Oh,
24 out of 25.
oh, we have a decreasing. I
I
mean,
have full marks.
you have full marks, Siddhant. Very
I
good.
got 24. Sixth one.
Ma'am, 6th and 5th.
Ma'am.
Why did you got it wrong?
Ma'am, I think the marking is the problem.
Ma'am.
C, W. So your answer was option C.
Ma'am.
Ah, Siddhant. Very good, Siddhant.
Can I leave?
Ma'am, that's what I marked, but I think I mistakenly marked A or
That's what I
that.
marked. That's what I marked.
Ma'am, can you show the 5th one?
Ah, Siddhant. You may leave, Siddhant.
Ma'am, can you show the 5th one?
Yes. Here is a fifth one. For the fifth one also, I told you the answer.
No, ma'am.
I did. E, F missing, G, H missing, I, J missing, K will be your answer. So either B or D.
I wrote B.
You wrote B.
Can I
And you
leave?
L, L, L and L. So K, L. Then
Ma'am, can I leave?
F, G, H, I, J, K again.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Missing L. Your answer will be D1. Wait. Say Vivansh, you may also leave. Ishani, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So all of we are leaving then. Vivansh also has left. Bye, fine then. Bye, Ishani. I'll see you on
Bye,
Saturday.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Take care, ma'am.
Yeah, Ishani.